I've got here a number line, just a normal regular number line that's going up in whole numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm sure you're already comfortable with rounding numbers. So for example, if you had to round to the nearest number, you'd have to think about the midpoint between these two numbers. So if your number is 7.2, for example, it would round down to 7. If your number was 7.7, it would round up to 7, well, not 7, it would round up to 8, right? So between 7 and 8, there's this kind of boundary line here at 7.5. So the same thing happens here between 8 and 9. So if your number was 8.1, it would round down to 8. And if your number was 8.8, it would round up to 9. So there's a boundary line here as well. So here's the interesting thing. Any number between these two black lines that I've drawn here will always round to the number 8 when you round to the nearest whole number. So if somebody tells you a number has already been rounded to the nearest whole number and the answer was 8, it could be any number between 7.5 and 8.5. It's got to be something in between these two lines here. 7.5 and 8.5 are the upper and lower bounds for an output of a whole number of 8. So if somebody tells you that a number has been rounded and it's been rounded to the nearest whole number and the answer was 8, and they ask you what the upper and lower bounds are, what they mean is what is the lowest number it could have been and what is the highest number it could have been. That's it. That's what upper and lower bounds are.